Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website. It's called clickbuildcollect.com, and you're on the site and you're wondering, can you really make thousands of dollars per month, okay, with this brand new automated system? This is actually a product that is listed on Digistore24. Digistore24 is a very legitimate network, but sometimes they've got products that are not so legitimate on the site, unfortunately, okay? So let's talk about clickbuildcollect.com, and then you can decide for yourself whether you want to invest into Jason Perriman's system, or you might decide that you want to stay away from it, right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different make money online websites, survey websites, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, lead generation, cryptocurrency deals, stuff like that. And some of them are good, but some of them are not really good at all. And some of them are just straight up scams. So it just depends on what I'm reviewing. And with this program, I'm just having a look at it, and these are the things that I like to do whenever I review programs to see whether they are the real deal or whether they're not, right? So first of all, this particular website has a lot of red flags, okay? And if a website has red flags, it's very, very likely that they're not the real deal, and you may as well just stay away from it as much as possible, okay? Because look, if this is your hard-earned money, you don't want to be spending $47, even though it is only $47, on something that's not real, right? So the first thing is that if you take a look at this this photo, right? I like to see whether the images are real or not. So if you right-click this photo and you go to search with Google Lens, you will see that this particular photo, after doing research on it, shows up on a whole bunch of different websites. Now, if that's the case, especially if they're different websites like, look, stacksocial.com, dcu.ie, sli.do, text.com, it's a whole bunch of different websites, which means that it's a stock image that's been used over and over and over again. Now, if a website has a stock image on it, it means that this is not the real owner of the website. This is not Jason Perriman. This is probably a stock image, and if it's a stock image, that is a big, big problem, okay? You shouldn't be using stock images on a website anyway, especially if this is supposed to be the CEO of this particular program. That's a huge red flag, okay? It means that they have something to hide. Another thing as well is if you actually look and you read through the marketing system, it sounds like it's too good to be true. Look, you have no hard work needed, okay? No hosting fees and all that kind of stuff. You can set it up in 10 minutes, all right? You can automatically create content. It just sounds too good to be true, right? So it says that you can make thousands of dollars, but you don't really have to do any work. You don't have to learn any skills. There's no hard work needed. I mean, it just sounds too good to be true. And like you can make commissions just by copying and pasting. I don't know anything online where you can make thousands of dollars every single month just by copying and pasting. Okay, again, too good to be true. And usually when it's too good to be true, it's not real. All right, so just be very, very careful. And we already know that the picture of the potential CEO of Click Build Collect is a stock image, which is a huge red flag. I would stay away from this with a 10-foot barge pole, okay? It says that they need beta testers, and check this out, right? It says Friday, September 3rd. We started testing our program internally on Friday, September 3rd. So the date today is, it's like a month ago, right? So this is a smart tool, right? So this is a dynamic date switcher. It will always switch to a month before you are actually on this website, right? Again, it's a little marketing trick to make you think that this is an up-to-date website. Again, red flag right there, okay? So just to make you feel like this is a very, very current thing, right? So this will also change. All we need is about 20 more no experienced people to follow instructions. Again, it's a marketing gimmick, okay? And look at this, it's just crazy. Look at this. You can potentially make thousands per month, and all you need to do is just copy and paste. This crazy stuff, right? So if you actually read through this entire thing, it doesn't really tell you what the system is. It just says that you register with them, and when you register with them, you have to pay $47, guys. You log into the members area, you paste your ID into the software, you build the system, it's automatically set up, and all of a sudden you follow simple instructions, and all of a sudden you're supposed to make money. I mean, it's crazy, right? Now, if it was so simple, why do you have to pay to register with the system? It doesn't make sense, right? So if you click on register with us, you have to pay. So you have to be from US or Canada, but you have to pay for it. Look, $47 one-time activation investment required. It's very strange, right? If they were looking for beta testers, why do you have to pay $47? Okay. The other thing as well is once you actually log into this and you pay the $47 on the back end, they're going to try and upsell you into a higher ticket program, okay, for a few $1,000s, and this is how these guys make their money. But you're really not doing anything, right? They say that there is a money-back guarantee only because it's on Digistore, so networks do offer a refund. That's the only good thing about this. But again, all this isn't real, okay? So again, and the other thing that's really telling is that this picture here of this guy, Jason Perriman, doesn't look anything like the guy on the top. Look at this dude right here. This guy's a young guy. His face is different, and look at the guy on the bottom. This guy's an older dude. It's just a stock photo of someone completely different, okay? Let's check this photo and see whether this is a stock photo. Probably is. Let's see. There you go. He shows up on a few places. Everypixel.com, mosaicrm.com. He appears on a couple of different pages. So again, it's a stock image. I mean, if Jason Perriman was real, why would they be using a stock image? Huge red flag right there. So what I would say is there's a lot of different things wrong with this particular website. Stock images, you have to pay to register, which is very, very weird, right? They say that it's super easy and you can make thousands of dollars every single month. All you have to do is copy and paste, which is complete, BS, all right? There's no way you can make thousands of dollars with anything online by copying and pasting. You can make a little bit of money. We're talking about pennies on the dollar for copy and pasting, but there's no way you can make a full-time income from copy and pasting. It just does not exist, unfortunately, right? I've been online now for almost 13 years, and I've tried all sorts of different business models, system tools, launches, you name it. I own my own business as well. There's no way that you can make that kind of money with copying and pasting, okay? Unfortunately, right? You want to earn real money, you have to learn real skills and do it properly. So that's my review of clickbuildcollect.com. This to me just looks like a website that is not going to deliver what it promises on the front end. Too many red flags. I would save your $47 and just stay away from this because this just doesn't look real at all, okay? The other thing that I want to mention is that if you want to make real money online, you can, but you're going to have to put in the work. So every time you hear a message like, it's copy and paste, you don't have to do anything, you spend 10 minutes a day on it, you're going to make thousands of dollars, you don't have to work hard at all. These are just marketing messages to try and get you to spend money with that particular website, okay? If you want to make real money online, if you want to sell thousands of dollars, okay, and make that kind of income, you're going to have to learn a real skill, all right? I've been marketing online for a long time now, almost 13 years. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, okay? And the only way I know how to make thousands of dollars online is by learning a real skill, is by actually selling real product online. Now, if you're too lazy to do that, please stop trying to make money online because you're never ever going to get there, all right? The only way that you can get there is to learn a real skill and sell real products to real people all over the world, right? So find people that have a problem that they're trying to solve, find them a product that will help to solve that problem, connect them together, and when they make a purchase, you will make a commission. That's the easiest way to do that. I've made multiple six figures doing this. I've taught thousands of people all over the world how to do this as well. So if you would like to learn how to do that, it's real, but you have to invest in your skills. You have to take this seriously. If you're not willing to take earning money online seriously, then don't even bother trying, okay? Because you will only make a few dollars here, a few dollars there, which is okay, by the way. If that's what you want for yourself, that's okay. But if you want to earn real money, earn hundreds of dollars a day, earn a real salary, hopefully, potentially replace your job income fully, then you have to learn how to do this right, okay? And if you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a free workshop that will show you exactly how I do it, how I work from home, how I've helped thousands of people do the same thing as well. All you need to do to register for that workshop is to click the link directly below in the comment section, or click on the arrow if you're on your mobile device on the next page. Register for the free workshop and then watch the entire thing, and I'll show you step by step how to really earn real income from home, if that's what you want to do, okay? But again, it's going to take work, it's going to take effort, but it's a real skill that you can keep for the rest of your life, which is really, really cool, okay? And once you have this skill in your brain, nobody can ever take that away from you. And the beauty is you can really do it from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you live, the US, China, Thailand, Malaysia, Australia, Scotland, it doesn't really matter, okay? As long as you have an internet connection and a laptop or a computer, you can make this work. I hope you enjoyed this review of clickbuildcollect.com. Again, I personally would stay away from something that looks like this, but if you want to learn a real money-making skill and really earn thousands of dollars per month, I hope to see you in the workshop once you register below. Take care, and I hope to see you on another review video. All the best.